What's up, guys? Here again to do another fishing video. Virginia. I just got back here yesterday from Virginia, and I'm out here with my mom to do another fishing video. Nya ma, palitan mo. Yan ang ka. Ay man, malat. Tabaw kayo kay nangking mo. Malati ya yung bulat. Ay, ko ako. Got a fish, guys. Atin. Oh. Bass.
Kabang. Payat siya.
Oh, baby apa?
Otangi ko ang dati kayo, nadago.
Oh.
Hindi nga pa na.
Oh.
Yang nagkama ka.
First bass, guys. Yeah.
Wanna play?
What you doing?
Can we
Huh?
to see you?
Okay. How you been?
I've been out for a while.
Yeah.
Did you guys take a picture?
Yeah, I caught a small one.
Oh, I got a small one, and we went fishing too. We went to a different lake, a way far away.
Oh, okay.
It wasn't way far away. Not that far. It
Yeah.
wasn't far away.
Uh-oh. Did you catch any?
No. Daddy didn't bring my fishing pole.
Oh.
Because the fish was too strong for me.
Oh, yeah? Got a big one right here, folks.
Yeah, see, that's the one I told you.
Oh, man, this is a big one. Oh, my God. I hope I don't lose it. We got a big one, guys. We got a big one. Oh, my God. This is big. Be careful before you don't rip it out of its mouth. Oh, shit. Oh, shit. We got a big one. Whoa, oh, my God. Look how big that fish.
There you go, Phil.
Show it. Oh, I got a big one.
I'll take a picture of it.
Oh, there was something following. Sorry, there's something following it.
I'll take a
Seen his
picture of
ass.
the fish. I take a picture of the fish.
It's too big.
It's fine now.
Here, hold it. Come here, hold it.
No, one time I'll have fishing
Ow, ow.
pool.
It's got teeth.
Oh, yeah, they're rugged.
There you go, guys. Caught a big fish.
Picture, picture.
Oh, we have blood.
Then I go do like this.
Take picture.
I don't have my camera.
Take ka dyan.
I don't have my phone.
No, it's cell phone.
There, go, okay. Go, stand next to Uncle Gray Ward.
Wow.
You're not going to touch it. Uncle J are going to hold it.
Uncle J, hold
I'm not going to hold it.
You're not holding it.
Uncle J, touch it. Because you cannot carry that thing.
Just press that white dot.
We have blood inside.
Here, go.
No.
Go stand
Come on, Malia.
Come on.
You just stand next to me like this.
Stand up. Side me.
Come on. It's not gonna.
It's not gonna cut you. Ayaw mo na, Jaya. No.
You're fine, Malia.
You're fine.
Okay, right there.
Look at the camera.
Look the camera.
One more. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
There you
There you go. What's that on you?
go. Ready?
You don't need to touch it.
I'm not touching it. You want to touch it? Just touch it one finger.
What the-
Go.
You want to carry it?
Yeah. See? Look. Daddy's touching it. It's nothing.
Yeah.
It's not going to bite you.
Yeah, it's not bite you, huh?
There you go. Now, Alright, take it home, Phil. Like that.
Yeah, take it.
Picture me.
Take
Put it in a pool in the backyard.
picture of mom.
Yeah, we're going to.
Did you guys build a pond? Miniature pond?
No, we didn't build a miniature
Oh.
pond.
We're gonna make a pool for our fishing.
I'll say that's about
Okay.
2.5, maybe
Okay,
3.
like this.
Those are its gills, baby. That red stuff is its gills. It's how it breathes.
How you doing?
It's how they breathe underwater.
Yeah.
They
See,
don't,
it did bite me.
Oh.
Oh, it's only like that. Because he wants
That one's lively.
Yeah, it's light.
Yeah.
That's big.
Yeah.
My brother caught a striped bass last night. Since we were catfishing,
And then
EJ said to cut it up. And she got so upset. She was crying.
And then I tell my uncle to don't cut the fish.
240,
Yeah.
2 pounds and 40 ounces.
And then,
about right.
You don't want the fish cut.
Yeah, so yeah, I knew it was about 2.5.
no, it wasn't green. It was thick.
Hey, for Amanda wants to know what time do you want to get back, because she has plans for you guys.
What? Well, we're only staying there 3 days, man. What the fuck? Can't even go fishing.
Oh, you tell her that, man. She's always asking me. Always have plans.
And then watch how the day was draw back in water.
Yep.
Get older. Go back in the water.
There you go. Before it dies, I gotta put it back.
You gotta revive it, man. You gotta push it back and forth. There you go.
Now it's swimming. Yeah, some red blood.
I'll be alright. I'll come to his senses.
Not like that guy taking it home. Supposed to catch and release.
Yeah.
Stupid guy.
Ayun, nagpura-pula pa kanya niya sa tengko.
You look like a dog, eh?
Ang balang
There you go.
Nice. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye,
Bye-bye, Tracy.
Not in the deep water.
Will.
I can't wait to see you catch a huger fish.
Yeah. Hopefully I can.
Yeah, we have to put folks in the ground.
Yeah, I can't wait. Because that fish, when you catch already, when we saw when it has red gills,
Yeah.
we're going to get a huger one, bigger, like this big.
Yeah.
I hope we can get that big one. And I hope it's a blue one.
Yeah.
Because you hope it's blue too.
Yeah.
I can't wait. I'm so excited. Is that your pool, Uncle Jaguar?
Yeah.
My dad got a new pool.
You got a new pole?
No, my dad did.
Oh, okay.
I wish I could fish.
Yep. Got one. Yeah, this is the one I was telling you. Small.
Oh, Uncle Jaguar, this fish wasn't even a what? The boy didn't even catch a catfish. My mommy did catch a catfish.
Oh, yeah?
It's easy to get the worm out.
Yeah.
Pick it out.
Yeah.
With scissors. And you to hold the fish with your hand.
Yeah, and then you use this to get it out. To get
the
the...
worm out.
Mm-hmm. See? Easy.
I'm gonna let me her.
Third bass, guys. Not too big.
Uncle Jaguar.
What?
Throw the fish back in the water. I don't see swim.
Okay. Let's go put it back. I'll put it here, okay? There it is.
I
See?
have flash it.
See?
Whoa, my business. I need to go back out. I'll tell you a secret. A secret.
What secret?
Can't tell the girl.
Okay.
The fish can't be dead.
What?
Fish can't be dead.
Okay.
Make the fish can't be dead. Okay? Make
Yeah.
it don't catch a fish is dead.
Okay.